Hi there, Japan, welcome. As you can see, the FJ is by my side again, needing another repair. Of course, it's been like 48 hours or more since it last needed something doing to it. This bike's ability to brake is beyond this realm. It's like magical. I actually find it impressive how it just continuously brakes. So yeah, anyway, I've got a problem with the exhaust manifold stud again. It came out, repaired it in a previous video. Wasn't great. Aftermarket stud, yeah. Shorter. It was like 2 or 3 mil shorter than it should have been. I thought it'll be all right. It was just the screwing the nut onto it. It wasn't quite over the end. I thought it'd be all right. It wasn't all right. There's either a problem with this being too short, or a problem with me not tightening up enough, or a problem with the thread in there. So I've got proper Yamaha things now. Of course, they're just as I suspected. They're a little bit longer. Just they're going to be correct. And I've got proper Yamaha. What they call gaskets to go inside as well. So replacing all that today. Hopefully that fixes it. If not, if there is a problem with a thread in the engine, this engine is high mileage. I bought this bike in 2015. 2015 to 2019, I ran it in London. I lived like 16 miles away from work, so crossing London all the time. Stop, start, or dealing with the traffic, engine really hot. It's not great for an air-cooled machine to be used like that, and I used to do that like 2 or 3 times a week, all year round, all the time. So yeah, it's had a hard life. Not great. If there is a problem, knowing that history about the engine and it being high mileage as well, probably like 65,000 miles on this now. Didn't have a speedo for ages, so kind of guessing. I'll just replace the engine if there's any problem with the thread actually on the side of the block. I will happily replace this engine. I'll use this one to take apart and learn about restoring engines and fixing it up, so I'd like to do that. And then I'll just replace it with a lower mileage one, which I can get easily a CM for sale all the time out here in Japan. Okay, cool, right, so let's take it all apart again, replace everything this time. Loose. Get that one with the spanner. Okay, top tip for you when you're removing an exhaust system, what really helps, I find, is if you remove all of the ducts. All of them. Last one. Okay, let's go. Let's try again. Here we go. Free, my box is in the way now. Fuck off. Anyway, I got it. 5 meters weighs a lot compared to the R1 one. Yes. Incredible steel, yeah? These cans weigh nothing, but all this pipework's all steel. This is all titanium and carbon fibre. It's like not even it's like a quarter of the weight. That's fine. I'm gonna grab some lunch now. Before I do, just squirt a bit of oil on these. Help me out. Checking the thread. Looks not cross-threaded, not all stripped out or anything, so I'm going to confidently put new ones in. And then I don't need to replace these, but I've got a whole new set. I kind of just like replacing things for new, and it's all experience, because I am sort of on a mission to learn about fixing up bikes. So that's sort of what my ownership experience is for this. I sort of do work that isn't really needed a lot of the time. But there's just satisfaction in learning and improving the bike. Okay, so that's what I just took out, comparing it to what comes correct from Yamaha. Shorter, and then Yamaha has that blank spot in the middle, slightly off-center. I know this bike might look like a hacked up, crappy old bike to you, but it's a project and it's in progress on its way to being a beautiful, well-made, well-finished bike. But I'm learning, so it's a long road, slow progress. But I would actually like to be able to do things properly. So I've invested in a torque wrench. Never used one of these before, but really, wherever possible, wherever needed, should use one. So I'm going to look up the torque specs and then I'm going to fit them properly, fit the correct parts for the bike with the correct tool. Okay, that was difficult. I've got 2 books on the FJ, like Haynes and Cyma, whatever it's called. Couldn't find it in them. So yeah, what we got? Just went to the internet. It's £14 foot for these, and then the nuts £7.2 foot. Okay, so let's put one in. These studs, yeah, it's got that blank section in the middle. Threads one side of it are shorter than the other. So I don't know which way that goes. So what I just did was just anything that will go into the back. Push that right to the back, comes out. It's that long. That's longer than the short threaded end, but matches the longer one. So I'm going to assume the long side goes in first. Okay, got some good news, really good news. That is the stud hole where the studs keep coming out of. Let's test it out. Should have done this earlier, didn't think of it. Just assumed it was alright because it looked alright. Stud goes in. I can just push that in without twisting it. Yeah, the thread's fucking tight, look at that. Look, I can just click it in. Oh dear. Shit.